Hello everyone, myself Chaitra. So I have completed recently my MBA bachelor's degree and my master's degree, and I have my own G Seva Kendra, which is handover by my sister and me. So we are working since from 3 years, and I was experienced through that only. So once in a while, Saravanan sir have visited our office to service our printers and machines. During that time, sir have given some information which is very helpful for women empowerment like me. So that is the thing where Manal Foundation is giving free course of training for this printer services and Xerox machines driving services and laptop chip level training everything. So thereafter I have got the interest and joined in this course to learn for myself. So the people are like me who are also unable to adopt this course, which is very costly outside. So now the Manal Foundation is giving freely course training, so where we can have a platform to learn and get the training in directly. So here I came to join and learned many things from chip level training to still OS installation, everything. So I would like to thankful for Manal Foundation and Sarvanan sir and Prakash sir for teaching me all these things. And thank you once again. Thank you.